Good day to all employers. My name is Annie Dimaisip. I am 39 years old from Bacoor, Cavite, Philippines. I have three children, ages 18, 13, and 11 years old. One boy and two girls. My highest educational attainment is a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, reading, and traveling. My special skills is I am a hardworking and a fast learner woman. I have a work experience, 4 years and 5 months in Saudi Arabia as a housemaid. There are five members in the family. I started my work at 10 a.m. until 12 midnight. My duties and responsibilities there is to clean, washing, ironing, cooking, and sometimes taking care of their grandchildren. And also, I have an experience 1 year and 7 months in Kuwait City as an all around housemaid and a nanny of five kids, ages 12, 11, 9, 7, and 2 years old. My main duties responsibilities there is cooking, washing, ironing, cleaning, and buying groceries, and also taking care of the kids, feeding them, shower them, and playing with them. There are seven members in the family. To my future employers, I promise to do that I can to perform my duties and responsibilities. I will treat you as my family as well, and I will respect all your decisions. And I promise to be more patient, kind, loving, caring, and trustworthy. And also, I promise that I will stay with you until I finish my contract. Thank you and have a nice day.